Looking for a user-friendly Linux distribution? Today we're diving into Linux Lite, a distro that claims to be perfect for beginners. But does it really deliver on that promise, or is it just another option in a crowded market? Linux Lite is designed to be a lightweight operating system that caters to users transitioning from Windows. Right off the bat, the interface feels familiar, featuring a traditional desktop layout with a taskbar and menu system that anyone who's used Windows will find easy to navigate. One of the standout features is its simplicity. It comes preloaded with essential applications like a web browser, email client, and media player, which makes it ready to use right out of the box. The system requirements are modest, so it can run smoothly even on older hardware, which is a big plus for those looking to revitalize an aging computer. However, while it shines in user-friendliness, there are areas where clarity is lacking. For instance, the documentation could be more robust. New users might find themselves searching online for answers rather than having everything laid out clearly within the system. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, Linux Lite is incredibly lightweight, making it ideal for older machines. The installation process is straightforward, and the default applications cover most basic needs. However, there are some frustrations. The lack of extensive documentation can leave new users feeling lost, especially when they encounter issues. Additionally, while it's great for basic tasks, power users may find it lacking in advanced features and customizability compared to other distributions. Trust-wise, it's worth noting that while Linux Lite is generally well regarded, it's always good to approach any operating system with a bit of caution regarding updates and community support. In conclusion, Linux Lite is a solid choice for beginners looking to switch to Linux without a steep learning curve. If you're coming from Windows and want something that's easy to use, give it a try. But if you're a more advanced user and need extensive support, you might want to explore alternatives.